Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie and today I'm going to show you how to update your Mac. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notifications on so that you can be alerted when I post new videos. So the first thing you have to do is go to System Preferences. Then you can open up Software Update to update your Mac operating system. Now you can see whether or not a new update is available. This update here is available for me, and in order to actually update, you press Update Now and then Continue. But make sure that when you're actually updating, number one, you have enough battery power, and the second thing is that you're not going to use it anytime soon because it does take a little while. To learn more about the actual update, you can press on More Info and you can scan through this to look at the new features that they've added or enhanced. Something to note is that with new features, you either get a major or minor update. I would recommend always getting those major updates and to also get the minor updates, but with the major updates, I would also recommend just learning more about those major updates because they do incorporate really drastic changes in the operating system. So something else you can do is also automatically keep your Mac up to date. You can have this or not. It can either be manual or automatic. Something else you can do is press Advanced and you can look at more settings with regards to your software updating. The first option here is to check for updates, download new updates when available, install macOS updates, install app updates from the App Store, or install system data files and security updates. Check and uncheck these as you would like, whatever suits your preferences. Please, again, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to check out the videos I make. I am now posting daily. Thanks for watching.